Welcome to my class Introduction, class standard 10, subject higher mathematics, chapter name probability, exercise 14, lecture 2. Today's lesson, solve the problems. Problem number 7, because from 1 up to 6 all are MCQ, everybody will try to solve this. Today I will start from 7 number. Okay, here given the problem, 30 tickets are numbered serially from 1 to 30. The tickets are mixed thoroughly and one ticket is drawn at random. Find the probability of the serial number of the ticket being one number, an even number, two number divisible by 4, three number less than 4, and 4 number greater than 22. Now follow the solution. If we draw a ticket after mixing thoroughly, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 30. Clear? Here the outcomes are equally likely because we'll get either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 up to 30 equal probable. So outcomes are equally likely and total number of outcomes is 30 because start from 1 and total 30. So total number of outcomes is 30. Clear? One number. Let event A equal to even numbers because one number we have to find the even number. Here the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. So the total number of favorable outcomes in favor of A is 15. That's mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is a 15. Therefore, the probability of A is equal to 15 divided by 30. And we know the definition, mathematical definition, that's mean total number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Here total number of favorable outcomes is 15 and total outcomes that is a 30. After calculate you will get 1 divided by 2. This is the required answer. 2 number. We have to find the probability divisible by 4. Let event be the numbers divisible by 4. Here the numbers divisible by 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So the total number of favorable outcomes in favor of B is 7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And total outcomes we know 30. Therefore, probability of B is equal to 7 divided by 30. This is the required answer. 3 number. Let event C equal to the numbers less than 4. As we have to start from 1 up to and last will be 30. So less than 4, that is 1 to 3. The numbers less than 4, 1 to 3. That's mean favorable outcomes in favor of C is 3 and total number of outcomes 30. Therefore, the required probability of C this equal to 3 by 30 and this equal to 1 divided by 10. This is the required answer. 4 number. Let event D the numbers greater than 22. Here the numbers greater than 22 are 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's mean total number of favorable outcomes in favor of D is 8. Therefore, probability of D equal to 8 by 30. After calculation, we'll get 4 by 15. This is the required answer. Clear, everyone? Okay, now follow the next problem 9. What is the probability of getting an even number or a number divisible by 3 in a single row of a dice? As here is or mean union or total number of outcome either of even number and a number divisible by 3. Okay, now follow the solution. The possible outcomes of drawing a dice are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even number 2, 4, 6 and a number divisible by 3, 3 and 6. That means 2, 4, 6 and 3, 6 or mean union. So 2, 3, 4, 6 will be the total numbers of even number or a number divisible by 3. That's mean the outcomes are equally likely. And let solution event A equal to even number or numbers of numbers divisible by 3. This equal to 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, as the number even numbers are 2, 4, 6 and the numbers divisible by 3, 3 and 6. So it will take in a set 2, 4, 6 and another set 3, 6. Okay, as or, that's mean we have to use union. As a result, we will get 2, 3, 4, 6. That's mean total number of favorable outcomes is 4. Okay. Therefore, probability of A is probability of A. We can denote like this way. This equal to 4 divided by 6. This equal to 2 by 3. Problem 12. Out of 2000 newly licensed drivers, the following number of drivers violate the traffic rules in a single year. Number of violation of traffic rules. Number of drivers 0 times. Total number 19, 10. 1 times total number of drivers 46. 2 times total number of driver 18. 3 times total number of driver 12. 4 times total number of driver 9. More than 4 total number of drivers 5. Out of those, here after adding we'll get total 2000 drivers. If one driver is chosen at random, what is the probability that the driver has violated traffic rules once time? That's mean total 46 drivers. And 2 number, what is the probability that the driver has violated traffic rules more than 4 times? That's mean total number of driver more than 4 is 5. Okay, therefore we have to solve this problem. Solution here, total number of drivers is equal to 1910 plus 46 plus 18 plus 12 plus 9 plus 5. This is equal to 2000. Now number of drivers violating one traffic rule, that is 46. Therefore, probability of the driver violating one traffic rule are selected randomly. This is equal to 46 divided by 2000. This is equal to 23 divided by 1000. Again, number of drivers violating more than 4 traffic rules, this is equal to 5. Therefore, the probability of the driver violating more than 4 traffic rules are selected randomly. 5 divided by 2000, this is equal to 1 divided by 400. This is the required answer. Now assessment. Problem number 14. Fill up the following table with the help of probability trees. Tossing of a coin, all possible outcomes, probability. One tossing of a coin, you have to find the all possible outcomes. Two tossing of a coin, you have to find the total number of outcomes. Three tossing of a coin, you have to find the total number of outcomes. For tossing of 1 times, you have to draw a tree. For 2 times, you have to draw a tree diagram. For 3 times, you have to draw a tree diagram. Okay, and find the probability of T, and here probability of 1 hit, and here probability of HT. Similarly, here probability of H, that means head, tail, and probability of 2 hit. Okay. Problem number 18. There are 8 red, 10 white, and 7 black marbles in a basket. A marble is chosen randomly. 1 number, find all possible outcomes. 2 number, find the probability of the marble being 1 red and 2 not white. 3 number, if 4 marbles are picked up, 1 without replacing any one of them, then find the probability of all the marbles being white. Solution. Here number of red marbles is 8, white marbles is 10, and black marble is 7. Here will be white, here will be black. Okay, therefore number of total marbles is equal to 8 plus 10 plus 7, this is equal to 25. This is the required answer. That's mean a number complete. That's mean 1 number complete. 2 number, find the probability of red marbles. Here total number of marbles is 25. Number of red marbles is 8. Therefore, probability of getting red marbles, this is equal to 8 by 25. This is the required answer. 2 number, total number of marbles is 25. Number of white marbles is 10. Therefore, probability of getting white marbles is equal to 10 by 25. This is equal to 2 by 5. But we have to find the probability of getting not white marbles. Therefore, the probability of marbles will not become white. This is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5. That's 2 by 5. The probability of getting white marbles. So, range of, we know the range of probability, this is equal to 0 less than or equal to probability less than or equal to 1. Okay, so 1 minus 2 by 5, and after calculation we will get 3 by 5. This is the required answer. 3 number, since the 4 marbles are picked up without replacing, therefore for the first time the probability of getting white marbles, this is equal to 10 by 25, because total number of white marbles is 10 and total marbles 25. So for first time probability will be 10 by 25. For second times we will less 1, so here will be 9 and here will be 25, because without replacing. For third time will be 8 by 23. And for fourth time, the probability of getting white marbles is equal to 7 by 22. Therefore, the required probability of getting white marbles is equal to this into this into this into this. After calculate, we'll get 21 divided by 1265. This is the required answer. Okay. Now homework. I think that everybody will solve the remaining math easily. Okay. So everybody will try to finish this exercise. That's mean exercise 14. Left all and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 27/7/2020, time 9 p.m. And if anyone of you will face problem, you can share with me. No problem, I will help. So today after this, thank you to all everybody. Goodbye.